So our cylinder heads are pretty much ready to rock and roll here. If you have not been following along, we're doing a head gasket job on a 2010 Subaru, and I just want to make a 2-minute video very quickly what the costs are. I think many people are curious what are the costs to have cylinder heads machined. Now, 2 things I had done. Number 1, resurfacing the heads. That makes a completely flat and level plane. The reason why this is important is precisely why we're doing this job. This had a head gasket problem, and these were slightly off. So the machine shop essentially makes a very fine cut and makes them completely flat and level. So when we reinstall the cylinder head, we won't have any leaks. The cost to resurface the head was $125 per cylinder head, so $250 for both of them. That's number 1. You can just say that's enough, but I actually had another thing done, and that was pressure testing the cylinder heads, and that was $80 per head, and that checks for cracks and defects. So altogether $410 to have them surfaced. But now I feel confident that we won't have any issues reinstalling the cylinder head and getting this car up and running. So ultimately, it's your biggest cost by far if you're doing a head gasket job, but nonetheless, we're in good shape. So if you're following along, thank you. In the next episode, we will reinstall these heads to the block, rebuild everything, and then place it back in our Subaru. So until then, thank you for watching.